Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss the revision lecture 4 for class 10th. In this lecture, we have to discuss about the division algorithm of a polynomial and some important question which are already asked in the board, like we have to given two zeros of a polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, and rest of the zeros we have to find, and some division questions also. So let us see. Let Px be a polynomial gx, qx and rx. This is divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. Suppose this is px, this is qx, gx, and this is qx, and this is rx. Then division algorithm for polynomial can be written as px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. So this is the division algorithm for polynomial. Now we shall discuss some questions based on division of the polynomial, and then after we discuss the question based on the division of polynomial, as well as we have to given two zeros of the polynomial, then rest of the zeros of quadratic polynomial has to be find. So let us see. Divide the polynomial 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x cube. So we have to divide the given polynomial polynomial 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square, and verify the division algorithm. Also we have to verify the division algorithm. So see, first of all we rearrange it. So we can write it as minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, and it should be divided by minus x square plus x minus 1. The same thing is written, only rearrange the terms. So first of all, this is minus x square, this is minus x cube. So simply we have to multiply by x in this, then it will be minus x cube plus x square and minus x. We have, this is minus plus, so this is 4x square and minus 3x plus x minus 2x plus 5. Now this is 4x square, so here we have to multiply it by minus 4, then it should be positive 4x square and minus 4x and minus plus 4 and this is plus, so 2x and minus plus 1. So this is the remainder Rx, this is the Gx divisor, this is the Qx quotient, and this dividend is this polynomial Px. Now we will just verify this particular division algorithm, so we can write it as x cubed plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5, it as x minus 4 into minus x square plus x minus 1 plus remainder 2x plus 1. So after solving RHS, if we will get this thing, then only it is verified, otherwise it is not verified. So first of all you multiply minus x cube plus x square minus x minus 4x square minus 4x plus 4, and then minus 4x square minus 4x plus 4, and then plus 2x plus 1. After solving it, minus x cube, and this is x square minus 4x square minus 3x square, so minus x cube minus 3x square, and this is minus 4x minus x plus 2x, so minus 4x minus x minus 5x plus 2x, that is minus 3x, so minus 3x, and this is 1 plus 4, 5. So you can see the RHS of this equation is same as the LHS, that's why it is verified. Okay, so in the same manner we have to do another question, so please try to understand, and if possibility you have to note it down. Okay, okay, next one. Noted down the question. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4. Find the zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power. Find all zeros of the polynomial 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 if you know that two of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So this is question example number 9 from NCERT book. So please see it. So we have given biquadratic polynomial as 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Two of its zeros are given. That is root 2 and minus root 2. We have to find rest all zeros. Okay. So first of all, we find a polynomial whose zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So, solution, first of all, we find the zeros, find the polynomial whose zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. So, x square minus root 2 plus root 2 x and plus of root 2 into minus root 2, that is x square minus, this is cancelled out, and this is minus 2. So minus plus 2. So plus and this is minus, so this becomes whole minus 2. So this is the polynomial using these zeros. Now what we will do, we divide this polynomial by x square minus 2, we get a quadratic polynomial, and then find the zeros of that polynomial, we will get other zeros. So let us start. Now x square minus 2, and this is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Now we will divide. So this is 2x power 4. So 2x square is there. So this 2x power 4 and minus 4x square. Okay. So this is cancelled out. This is minus 3x cube and this is plus. So minus 3x square plus 4x square, only x square, and plus 6x minus 2. Okay. Now this minus 3x cube, so minus 3x is there, so minus 3x cube minus minus plus 2, 3 to just 6x. Okay, so this becomes x square and minus 2. Now plus 1, this again become x square minus 2, so this is cancelled out. So we can write by division algorithm 2x to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2 as 2x square minus 3x plus 1 and x square minus 2. So we can write it as division algorithm. So from this particular factor we get already root 2 and minus root 2 as a zeros, but from this also we get two zeros. So 2x square minus 3x plus 1, so factorize it, 2x square minus 3x 2 minus 2x minus x plus 1, 2x is common, x minus 1 minus 1 x minus 1, so x minus 1 whole is common, 2x minus 1. So other zeros are x minus 1 is equal to 0, so x is equal to 1, and 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1 by 2. So rest of zeros are 1 and minus 1 and 1 by 2. So all the zeros of this polynomial is what? Root 2, minus root 2, 1 and 1 by 2. So in this manner we have to solve this particular question. Okay. Now let us see another question, but before that you have to understand whatever the things are there. I hope you understand. So let us discuss next question. Now the same question is find all the zeros of the polynomial. Find all the zeros of polynomial. First of all, you note down the question. Exercise 2.3, question number 3. Question number 3. Obtain all the zeros of the polynomial 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5, where two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3 is given. Okay. So in this also we have to do same thing. So first of all we find the polynomial using these zeros. So x square, x plus root 5 by 3 and x minus root 5 by 3. So we will get x square minus 5 by 3. After solving, we get 3x square minus 5 by 3. Here, upon 3, there is no meaning of this 1 by 3 making the polynomial. Okay, so let us begin the question. Next part of the question, we have to divide 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 by the 3x square minus 5. We will get another zeros. Okay, so see, we have to divide this polynomial by 3x square minus 5. We will get 3x square minus 5. We will get 3x square is 3x square and x square, 3x to the power 4 minus 5x square. So better to write here minus 5x square. So this is cancelled out, 6x cube plus 3x square minus 10x minus 5. Okay, so next one, 3 and 6 plus 2x, this is 6x cube minus 5 to the 10x. Okay, so this is also cancelled out, this is also cancelled out, 3x square minus 5, and you see 1 is the next divisor, sorry, quotient. So 3x square minus 5, and this is cancelled out. Okay, so this is the divisor, this is the dividend, this is the quotient. So using division algorithm, we will get 3x to the power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 as 3x square minus 5 and x square plus 2x plus 1. So from this particular factor, we will get two zeros as root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. But from this factor, we get other zeros. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x plus 1 whole square. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1 and minus 1. So other zeros are minus 1 and minus 1. Okay. So in this manner, we have to do this particular question. Now next one we see. Okay. Next one we see. On dividing x cube minus 3x square. Next one. Yes, very good reason. If the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are in A minus B, A plus B, then find the values of A and B. So this is the question number 3 from optional exercise. Let us see. Okay. Question number 3, optional exercise. Question number 3, optional exercise. This is to be question number 3, optional exercise. If zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are A minus B, A plus B, then find the values of A and B. So you know, in x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1, this is the cubic polynomial. So their zeros are alpha, beta and gamma. So alpha is equal to A minus B, alpha beta is equal to A, and gamma is equal to A plus B. Okay, so from formula we know that alpha plus beta plus gamma is nothing but minus B by A. Here what is B? B is obviously minus 3. So minus of minus 3 by 1. So this is plus 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is plus 3. And you know the values of alpha plus beta, alpha, beta and gamma. So A minus B plus A plus B. this is cancelled out. 3a is equal to 3, so a is equal to 1. Similarly, we know the alpha, beta and gamma is equal to minus d by a. So alpha, beta, gamma, d is what? 1. So this becomes minus 1. So alpha is a minus b, a plus b. So this is nothing but a square minus b square. This is minus 1. So value of a is 1. 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. So 1 minus b square is equal to minus 1. So b square is equal to 2. So b is equal to plus minus root 2. So these are the values of a and b. So in this manner we had to complete the chapter polynomial. Now next lecture number 5, we have to discuss the next topic, pair of linear equation in two variables. Thank you for today.